Hello everyone, in this module we study chapter 8, the time value of money. The learning objectives include the time value of money and its importance to business, the future value and the present value of a single amount, the future value and the present value of an annuity, the present value of a series of uneven cash flows, the time value of money. Money grows over time when it earns interest. Therefore, money that is to be received at some time in the future is worth less than the same dollar amount to be received today. The future value of a single amount. Suppose that you have $100 today and plan to put in a bank account that earns 8% per year. How much will you have after 1 year, 5 years, or 15 years? We can use the future value equation to get the value present value of a single amount, value today of a amount to be received or paid in the future. For example, you expect to receive $100 in 8 years. If can invest at 10% what it is worth today. We can use a financial calculator to get a solution. Use previous example, you invest 200 at 10%, how much it worth after 5 years. You can use the financial calculator or the formula to get a future value. Annuities. An annuity is a series of equal cash flows spaced evenly over time. For example, you pay your landlord an annuity since your rent is the same amount paid on the same day of the month for the entire year. Future value of an annuity. We can use the future value of an annuity formula to get the result. For example, how much would this amount have at the end of 3 years if interest rate were at a rate 8% annually? The future value of an annuity is 324.64. Also, you can use a financial calculator. Present value of an annuity. For example, how much would the following cash flow be worth to you today if you could earn 8% on your deposit? This is the present value of annuity calculator solution. Annuities. An annuity is a series of equal cash payments spaced evenly over time. Ordinary annuity. The cash payment occurs at the end of each time period. Annuity due is the cash payment occurred at the beginning of each time period. Amortized loans. A loan that is paid off in equal amounts that include principal as well as interest. You can solve for the loan payment. For example, you borrow 20,000 from the bank to purchase a used car. You agree to make payment at the end of each month for the next 4 years. If the annual interest rate on this loan is 10%, how much is your monthly payment? Use your financial calculator, you can get the result. Perpetuities. A perpetuity is a series equal payment at equal time intervals, or an annuity that will be received into infinitely. For example, a share of preferred stock pays a constant dividend of $5 per year. What is the present value if the required rate of return is 1%? So in 4K, a $200 investment has grown to $230 over 2 years. What is the annual return on this investment? We can use calculator to solve for K. Compounding more than once per year. For example, 500 invested at 9% annual interest rate for 2 years. You can compute the future value. Depends on different compounding frequency, the result will be different. Continuous compounding is compounding frequency is infinitely large, and compounding period is infinitely small. This is the equation for calculate continuous compounding.